Look at it.
A ball, and look at this. What's that? Yeah. And books. Who loves to read books? And a soldier. Is this Daddy? Oh, books.
Oh.
Show it, Becca. Show me.
Daddy.
Show it, Becca. Show me your book. Let me see. Show it, Becca, your book. He just wants to read it. And Bible stories.
You want to hold it up for me, Joshy, so I can take a picture?
Show it, Becca. Say, look here, Becca.
Let me see. There's more presents.
Yep. Here, let's put those in here. Okay. Here's another one.
Football's for Daddy.
Right, let's open this one. Who's that from? Whose nephew? Is that from Aunt Becca? Look at with the fishies. This is from Auntie Becca. Can you say thank you, Auntie?
I'm taking all the wrap off.
Well, that's what he wants to do. Here. Let's see what's inside. Right here, Teddy. What's inside? What is it? What is it? Some shorts. Let's see what else you got.
I wouldn't know.
And a shirt. Oh, a onesie. I love these.
I wouldn't know what it says.
And a shirt. Ooh, nice. And shoes, too. She got the whole kit caboodle.
How long will that record
those
for,
are
Bjorn?
Yes.
How long will that record for?
Till I run out of memory.
Oh, really?
That
Is it HD?
Oh, those shoes are so cute.
Tell her, Becca, I love you. Teddy, tell her, Becca. Here, what? 2 more presents, baby. Come here. Nobody reads the invitation. Open presents.
Go more, Teddy.
Don't bring presents or presents optional.
Except he doesn't want to share
This
that.
is happy birthday from Aaron and Amy. Come here, Ted. Look, there's more.
I'm going to videotape Bjorn's bronzing.
My what?
Your hair bronzing.
Whoa.
Frosted. Oh my gosh. I see it. It's a spray on, isn't it? No. Yes, it is. It's not a spray. I'm going to touch it.
No,
It is
I will
a spray.
lick your back.
Oh, that doesn't scare me.
I will lick your nose.
What kind is it then? Cream?
More like a mascara with a
Oh, with
brush.
a little brush. You
No,
just...
so the green light
Now the whole
turns on.
world will hear that in my video.
I played with it for 2 days. I got bored.
My name is Aaron Wood.
Edit it.
I am Aaron Wood.
You can edit it out.
I am Aaron Wood.
Oh, look at that. You tell everyone thank you. Teddy, say thank you.
Why are you so ashamed of it?
Teddy, say thank you.
I think it's great.
Keep it up, buddy. I'm the winner right
I am Aaron Wood.
He thinks it's great that Aaron wears bronzer in his hair.
Another bag.
Frost.
Yeah.
What's that movie? Frost Me. Remember that movie that was
No, you're thinking of Saturday Night Live.
No. It was with How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.
Oh, I don't remember that.
Oh.
Yeah, Mama will put it
yeah.
together.
My name is
Lori Josh's friend was in the car.
Hello, Eric.
Getting it out. They make these a lot better than they did 4 years ago.
It's like, man,
Yeah,
flashlight
Josh, wait
is
until it's
convenient.
wait till